Hey y'all, I was not prepared to film this today because this was not even supposed to come in the mail till tomorrow. But I am so excited. So again, excuse the ugly. We're on lunch break at work and just excited. We're excited. So we're gonna open this up. I'm not gonna say what it is until we get it open, but I'm like so excited. I will say this is definitely one of those purchases. I mean, nothing I buy is ever anything that I need. But this was one that like I saw and I kept telling myself like, do I need it? Do I need it? And I definitely did not, but I wanted it, and so I bought it. What is this? Do they put like a gel pack in there so that it doesn't melt? That's pretty smart. A weird looking gel pack. Is that what this is? I think so. Wow, it's a good gel pack too. Shoot, are you guys ghetto like me? Do you save the oh, that's why. Do you save your ice packs and reuse them? No. So what's in here actually was so that these wouldn't melt, but I think they did anyway because it's hot. These are this. Since I'm on the floor, the dogs are probably going to be in the video. I ordered the Scentsy Hocus Pocus collection, and this is okay. This is the Perfectly Wicked Sanderson Sisters scent, and it was supposed to smell like vanilla and berries and salvia, but I really wanted it. I've never ordered from them before. I'm also not even like a scents person necessarily, because I have not had a Scentsy smell in like 15 years, but I started new medication about a year ago, and now I have a sense of smell, and so I have loved being able to actually use that sense and get scented soaps and candles and hand sanitizers and like actually know what they're like. So when I saw this, I did not need it, but I was like, fuck it, I have to do it anyway. So if this is the first time you're watching me or these videos, you might know I am doing a Hocus Pocus theme for my house this year because of the movie, and Scentsy released a Hocus Pocus warmer. And then when I saw it, oh God, sorry, sorry, baby. When I saw it, I was like, I have to have this because it's also a projector. And there's like this blank spot in my dining room where I've decorated that I just felt like it would work really well, even though I already have a projecting light in there. We'll figure it out. So here's the warmer. You open it up and it's Binks, and it says, I put a spell on you. The dogs like the scent because she's smelling it. This is my baby Buttercup. Okay, baby. Excuse me. Thank you. I love you too. And all right, let's see what this looks like. I'm so excited. So on top, I guess this is what casts the shadow. This is a little like I wish it was sturdier. No, it's aluminum. It's this little aluminum bit that has the sisters, because what's supposed to happen is like the light hits it and then this will reflect the outline in the background, the shadow. So I guess that bit you attach to it. I don't know. Honestly, this thing was very expensive and I really didn't need it, but I wanted it. So, oh my God, it's so cute. So here it is. It's huge, actually. Honestly, here it is. So it's a little cauldron that of course says Hocus Pocus, and it's got these like flames and logs in the front. And then here's a stack of books with Binks at the top, and then I guess you put oh my God, the dog is like sniffing behind me and her nose is up my butt right now. There's this little like slot right here that you put this part into, and then you see that's where the light like projects and it would show up. So I'll have to do, and then you dump the scent things on here. I'll have to do a trial and see what it looks like on the wall. But I just thought it was so freaking cute, and something that I could use, for multiple seasons. I mean, I don't do a Hocus Pocus theme like every year, but it's just so fun. It's so cute. So I think that'll be cool. This was like, after tax and shipping, it came out to like $110. It was expensive. By itself, it was like 85, and then again tax and shipping. But also, these are like MLMs, so they're like commission based. You know, the people receive profits from it. So I'm like, okay, well, at least it's like a person getting the money instead of a corporation. And the corporation, of course, is getting it, and the company for the licensing. But I know, I'm excited. It's stupid. I didn't need it, but it's just another Hocus Pocus thing that I bought, and I'm so excited to see it light up in person. And if the dogs weren't weighing me down, I would test it right now. But I will show you what it looks like when it's all lit up and set up on my bar, where I have like a whole like witchy vibe going. But it's so cute, and it's big. It's way bigger than I thought it would be. So I'm excited. And the scent, again, I don't know that I love it because it's very heavy on the vanilla, and before I could smell, I swore that I loved vanilla. Like, I thought it was my favorite scent. And now that I can smell, I fucking hate it. Like, it's just so... It's too much. It's too much. So, I don't know. I'm glad that I only bought one of those. The rest of them were like, get these fall scents. And they were like leaves, pumpkins, and not things that I like. I'm very much like a sweet, fruity kind of scent person. I don't really like the like natural or musky ones. So not so excited about these, but you know, it's cute. It's a pretty purple color, but I don't know. It's very vanilla. It's supposed to be like black cherry and something, but it just smells like vanilla. But it's cute anyway. So I'm excited. I'm excited about it. Again, I definitely didn't need it. Do I feel stupid for buying it? Absolutely. But I feel like I feel stupid for buying everything. It's probably fine. What else am I going to do with my money? Save it? You know, can't take it with you, right? So might as well fill your house with cool shit along the way. But I will attach the video of what it looks like here. So here is what it looks like all lit up. It has this little, oops, my hand is in the way. It has this little like switch, and I couldn't figure out how to turn it on, but that's what it looks like. As you can see, the rocks, the fire lights up in the front. And then that's what it looks like reflected on the back. I don't have any scents in there right now because I'm trying to, I don't know, wait and figure it out. I have to like bend this because it's a little off-centered, so it's driving me crazy, but that's what it looks like on the bar. And I think it fills that space perfectly, so I'm excited. Was it worth, you know, $90? I don't know, but it's cute. So there's that.